All right, this is my video explaining Chapter 9, Number 7. You are about to take a road test for the driver's license. You hear that 40% of the candidates pass the test the first time, but the percentage rises to 65% on subsequent retest. Estimate the average number of tests drivers take in order to get a license and run 20 trials. So the component to be repeated is one driver's test. So I'm going to let the digits 00 to 39 pass the test the first time and 40 to 99 fail the test the first time. The reason why I'm using 00 to 39 is because if we count from 0 to 39, there are 40 digits. So that means 40% of the candidates will pass the test. And if I count 40 to 99, there will be 60 digits. Because the percentage rises the second time you take the test, then you need to let 00 to 64 pass the second time and all other times after that, and 65 to 99 fail. I'm going to use a site called random.org to generate my list of random numbers. You can use this site or your graphing calculator to generate your random numbers, or you can use a random number table. To go to this site, random.org, type in www.random.org. So once I get to my site, random.org, at the very top of this screen, you will see this up here that says numbers. Once you click on numbers, you're going to find this, it's going to be called integers. You're going to click on integers. You should then get to this screen right here that says random integer generator. So I'm going to generate 100 random integers. You can change that to whatever you want. And I'm going to generate my numbers from 0 to 99. So right here I'm going to type in 0. Right here I'm going to type in 99. This format in 5 columns, it can be whatever you want it to be. I just did format in 5 columns so it was easier to see. So on the next slide, you're going to see my random numbers and how I went through my experiment. Okay, remember that our simulation here is taking the driver's test one time. So each one of these random numbers that I draw simulates whether I pass or fail the test. So the first random number that I draw here is a 42. So 42 is a fail because it's not between 00 to 39. 62 is a pass because the second time you take your test, the probability of you passing the test rises to 65%. So that's the end of run 1. So run 2, 91 is a fail, a 10 is a pass. Trial 3, 43 is a fail, 88 is a fail, 27 is a pass. The next trial, 15 is a pass. The next one, 57 is a fail, 16 is a pass. The next one, 36 is a pass. The next one, 35 is a pass. The next run, 90 is a fail, 25 is a pass. The next run, 76 is a fail, 53 is a pass. The next one, 0 is a pass. The next one, 63 is a fail, 89 is a fail, 48 is a pass. The next run, 82 is a fail, 79 is a fail, 24 is a pass. The next run, 31 is a pass. The next one, 17 is a pass. The next run, 46 is a fail, 26 is a pass. The next run, 10 is a pass. The next run, 56 is a fail, 79 is a fail, 54 is a pass. The next run, 55 is a fail, 27 is a pass. The next run, 87 is a fail, 93 is a fail, 2 is a pass. The next run, 61 is a fail, 72 is a fail, 49 is a pass. The next run, 61 is a fail, and 10 is a pass. So let's pause for a minute, see if we have 20 runs yet. So there's 1 run, 2 runs, 3 runs, 4 runs, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 runs, 12 runs, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I could have stopped right here with my 20 runs. The next thing I need to do is I need to count. So here it took me 2 tries to pass the test. 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 times, 2 times, 1 time, 3 times, 3 times, 1 time, 1 time, 2 times, 1 time, 3 times, twice, 3 times, and 3 times. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up all of these. So if I add up 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, etc., my total that I get is 38. So then I'm going to take that number and I'm going to divide it by my 20 runs. So if I divide that by 20 runs, my probability of passing the test is 1.9 times, or it takes me about 2 times to take the test. Now, if I did this again with a different set of random numbers, the idea is that I will probably get close to 1.9 again. I may not get exactly 1.9, like I might get 1.95, I might get 1.88, but I'm going to get something close to 2 every time that I do this, so that my answer is approximately 2.